अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू ज़ेदू एडिटर। और आप लोग देख रहे हैं मोहम्मद जहाद। आज हम स्टैंड करेंगे एडोब प्रीमियर में क्लास नंबर 2 सोर्स विंडो के बारे में। तो चलते हैं अपनी स्क्रीन की तरफ।
In this video, we will practice on source window tools. This is Add Marker. Add Marker is used to mark specific points in your video. This is Mark In and Mark Out. Mark In is used for sets the starting edit point. Mark Out is used for set the end point for editing. This is Insert. Insert in Adobe Premiere is adding a clip to the timeline, and also wrong the audio clip. First, we will lock audio clip and tap the Insert button. In this way, audio clip is not disturbed or wrong. This is Overwrite. Overwrite is used for replacing a clip on the timeline. In this way, audio clip not disturb or wrong. Tap Go to In button. Go to In button is used for starting clip. Tap Go to Out button. Go to Out button is used for direct go in video last. This tool is used for step back 1 frame left side. And this tool used for step forward 1 frame right side. This is Export Frame tool. Export frame in Adobe Premiere is saving a single frame as an image from a video clip. Write a file name. Click on Format. Which frame do you use, PNG and JPEG? Click on Browse. Select a folder where you save file.